In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Slides as a PowerPoint presentation. This tutorial will guide you through the simple and effective steps needed to transform your Google Slides into a PowerPoint file effortlessly, ensuring that your work remains accessible and easy to share with colleagues, clients, or classmates. By following this method, you'll be able to maintain your slides' original layout, formatting, and design elements while converting them to a widely used presentation format. First, let's get started by navigating to Google Slides. Open your preferred web browser and type Google Slides into the search bar or go directly to docs.google.com/presentation. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials if you haven't already. Signing in is essential because it allows you to access all your existing presentations, create new ones, and ensure that any changes you make are saved securely to your Google Drive. Once signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage where all your presentations are neatly organized for easy access. Now, select the presentation you want to save as a PowerPoint file. If you don't have an existing presentation ready, you can start a blank one or choose a template to give your slides a professional foundation. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This will open a drop-down menu containing several options. From here, hover over Download and a secondary menu will appear with different formats. Among these options, select Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. Choosing this format ensures your slides are compatible with PowerPoint while maintaining all your text, images, charts, and other design elements. After clicking PowerPoint, your presentation will automatically begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file will typically appear in your Downloads folder, though you may be prompted to select a different location. Once the download is complete, open the PowerPoint file to double-check that all slides and formatting are intact. Google Slides usually does an excellent job preserving your original design, but a quick review ensures everything appears as intended and allows you to make any small adjustments if needed. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Google Slides presentation into a PowerPoint file. This simple process makes your presentation more versatile, allowing you to share and edit it across different platforms easily. Whether for school, work, or client presentations, this technique ensures your slides remain professional, polished, and accessible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on using your digital tools efficiently. Happy presenting!